Scan confirms fuselage integrity and traceability.
Alignment checks are reading within tolerance, ready for the next stage.
The torque wrench confirms the first permanent connection. Manufacturing has officially started.
Welcome to the forefront of aerospace manufacturing. A journey of precision, patience, and engineering mastery begins.
Temperature stabilizing at 120 degrees Celsius, pressure holding steady.
Acknowledged. Initiating the nitrogen ramp and starting the cure cycle. Inside the carbon fiber shell, lightweight aluminum bulkheads are precisely aligned and secured. Technicians Here in the layup room, precision is paramount. Laser guides ensure every carbon fiber prepreg layer is perfectly aligned.
Cycle initiated. Pressure ramping as expected.
Parameters confirmed. Holding steady.
Check the tolerance on section 3.
Looks good. 0.002. Cycle complete. The edges are perfect.
Scan complete on section 3.
Tolerances are well within parameters. Apply the tag.
Torque sequence finalized. Specifications met.
Confirmed. Releasing hoists now.
Alignment confirmed by laser guide.
Okay, let's start the tightening sequence from the inboard side.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Confirmed torque at 25 Newton meters. Alignment approved.
Check the signal path on zone 3.
Reading confirmed. Green across the board.
Check the readouts on bank 3. Are we nominal?
All green, steady at 24 volts. Finalizing the strain reliefs now.
Gauge reads 0.005, within tolerance.
Confirmed. The alignment is perfect.
Ready for installation.
Flaps lowering smoothly to max deflection.
Aileron articulation check.
Symmetry confirmed, 100%.
The surface is flawless. We can sign off on the primer stage.
Confirmed. Marking the checklist now.
Is the alignment correct there? Yes, perfectly straight. Go ahead and seal it.
Range of motion is good.
Confirmed. Interface recognized.
Check the alignment on the lower edge. Looks perfect. The spacing is consistent all around. The graphs are leveling out. We should be good to apply.
Agreed. Run the surface test sequence.
Power systems check, all nominal.
Confirmed. Stable voltage across all rails.
Alignment on the starboard wing is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Marking structural integrity complete. We're reaching peak temperature now. Check the sensor array.
All green. The composite structure is holding tolerance perfectly.
Signal integrity is stable. Channel 3 confirmed.
Roger that. Antenna secured.
Logging the pass.
Look at the current spike on motor 3.
It stabilized quickly. Readings are holding steady across the board. Endurance confirmed.
Checkpoint 4B looks good. Laser scan confirms tolerance.
Agreed. All fittings secured. Ready for sign-off.
Final certification approved.
All data points confirmed. Signatures verified.
We are clear for final authorization.
Signature entered.
And confirmed on my side. Factory acceptance is complete.
All test flags deactivated.
Confirmation received. Delivery mode locked.
The inclinometer reads 0 degrees.
Verified. Locking fixtures are secure and torqued.
Signing off on the tablet now. Procedure complete.
Desiccant packs are secured and the panel is sealed.
Humidity levels are optimal. The cradle lock is engaged.
Tail section looks good.
Confirmed. Final audit approved. The alignment on the starboard support is confirmed.
Verified against the schematic, it's a perfect match.
A little to the left on my mark.
Copy that. Markers aligned on the right.
Easy down, centralized.
Status confirmed green on indicator 3. Please log the serial here.
Confirmed.
Logging complete for this section.
Barcode scanned, signature captured. Handoff authorized.
Confirmed. This one is ready for staging.
Clear on the left side. Approaching bay, hold steady. Set down confirmed.
Dock 3 at 1400 hours. Confirmed. We are ready for the outbound transfer.
Alignment confirmed. Levelers engaged.
All checks passed. Ready for loading.
Suspension secure. Scanning complete.
Capacity verified. All green on my end. Dock leveler secured. Status green.
Lockout tags and chains installed. Dock is ready.
Slow it down now. Straight ahead.
Watch the side. Okay, hold it. Tines are clear. Perfect alignment. Approved.
Device activated. Green light steady.
Reading confirmed. Logging the activation now.
All checks are green. The load is approved for departure.
Manifest confirmed. You are cleared through Gate 2. Drive safely.
Timestamp acquired. Logging the event now.
Confirmed. Sequence complete.
If we move the calibration here, we avoid conflict with the fuselage assembly.
That works. Confirming the change now.
The structural composite defect rate is holding steady at 0.05%.
Excellent. I'm logging the preventative maintenance review as completed.
This revision addresses the material flow issue we identified in the molding process.
Yes, the simulation supports this change.
Agreed. Let's finalize the action plan.
As you can see, all objectives for the shift are completed.
Excellent work, team. We are right on schedule. Shift closed.
All system mainstream. All systems showing green.
Confirmed. Master switch engaged.
Audit trigger 787 Alpha is active. Cross-reference section 4, subpart B.
Confirmed. All parameters nominal. Initiating level 1 review.
Checksum integrity confirmed on the final state lock.
Agreed. The digital twin is secure.
Archive complete.
This modification significantly improves the thrust-to-weight ratio. Make sure the annotation specifies the exact airfoil change.
Noted. Reviewing the final KPIs. Cycle time and yield look good.
Defect rates are clear. Report approved.